G'day mates! Did you know that in the remote town of Kununurra, fishing guides are making deadly deals with 7-meter crocodiles? Buckle up because this Kimberley horror story will chill you to the bone. Deep in Western Australia's outback, where the Ord River flows, something sinister is happening. Local Aboriginal people whisper about tour guides who've struck bargains with ancient river spirits. The deal? Feed them massive saltwater crocodiles in exchange for protection. But here's where it gets truly terrifying. Multiple tourists have vanished at the exact same GPS locations where these monster crocs nest. Survivors tell bone-chilling tales of watching their guides throw chum into the water just moments before attacks. Crikey! The town's entire economy runs on crocodile tourism, but investigators now believe some operators see tourists as expendable offerings to these apex predators. The Mary-Wung people say these guides have crossed a line that should never be crossed. So next time you're planning an outback adventure, remember this warning. In Kununurra, not all guides have your safety in mind. Some serve much older, hungrier masters lurking beneath the surface.